Hello, and thank you for joining us for this month's episode of As the Patch Turns, where the star of the show today will be Automate 2022.3. As per usual, we'll kick it off with product updates, talk about top fixes, and then move on to talk about what's new in this release. The big product update we have for you is that we've fixed a known issue related to the database engine where it was experiencing connection pool exhaustion. This has been resolved with the help of many of you. Thanks to all who were involved that helped us validate the fix for this problem. We are still testing the installation of Automate Server on Windows Server 2022. An issue has been resolved related to scripts that were created in 2022.2. Scripts created in that patch were experiencing an issue where variables were not being processed and expanded as necessary. That's been resolved. We addressed an issue in the Web Control Center where groups were not expanding properly. We've also addressed another issue which was related to Web Control Center alerts not being converted into tickets properly. We've made some more fixes to improve the background processing for VMware hosts and VMware inventory in our Virtualization Manager plugin. We've also addressed an issue related to one of our script functions, the script string function replace. This was not operating as expected. We've fixed that in this release as well. What's new in this release are some script editor features. Where passwords are involved in script parameters, we've added input masking and accompanied them with a confirm password field for input validation. We've added IntelliSense feature for entering both user and system variables in script function parameters. We've also added on-screen hotkey references to the script row context menu. And we've improved the user experience for script functions such as file write text, execute script, things that require a larger text box or working area. We've improved that functionality. Here's what you can see in the code area component on the left when we are using IntelliSense. Press the @ on the keyboard, and it will list all available variables that can be inserted in that particular line. The same thing goes on the right-hand side for a text area component. Once again, pressing @ on the keyboard is going to allow me to insert the appropriate user variable there. We've made enhancements to the context menu for the script editor in this release as well. Notice on the context menu here, I have hotkey references. A time-saving feature that once you start learning all those, I won't even need to rely on the context editor. Thanks everybody for taking the time to watch this one, and we look forward to seeing you on the next episode of As the Patch Turns. Love you.